In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can convert every file of your choice to a specific file. So let me show you guys how to do this. You'll be using this website, Cloud Convert. You can convert images, your files, your audios, your videos, and everything to every format of your choice. Let me show you guys how to do this. So let's say I want to upload. Let me come here. Let me move to my downloads here. Now let me try to, convert this. Okay, let me try to convert this rather. This is a video, so I can convert it to an audio. You get it? So MP3, MP4, a WAV file, anything of your choice. So this is for videos. You can convert it to audio. You just need to upload it here. Now let's try to convert an image to a different formats. So let me choose this image here and let me try convert it to different formats. So you can see for the images, I can convert it to JPEG, PNG, and the rest WebP by Google, and I can even convert it into a PDF. The Word too, I can convert it to PDF, RTF, which is for WordPad, HTML, and everything. And I can also convert it into an ebook and the rest. And I can also convert the PDF or the Word document file into an image too as well, a single image. That's it on how you can convert your files to different formats on the internet without, signing up or even getting any premium sort of version. So if you want to convert a lot of files, which is like 15, 20 files in a day, you need to, sign up and then subscribe to their premium version. But then if you want to, be converting less than 10 files in a day, you can be doing that without even signing up. But if you sign up, it's good. You are going to, keep your files on there too as well. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.